Now open your books to page number 3535. Science books, page number 35. Give me a thumbs up when you're ready with the page 35. All right. Page number 35. And put your pencils down. Don't play with the pencil. It's not a toy. You may hurt yourself, children. When I tell you to pick up the pencil, when I ask you to write something, then you will use it. Page number 35. You have a green box over there that says, let's revise. So we will quickly revise all that we have studied in this lesson. Put your finger on the first point. Look in your book. You will read with me. I want to see your lip movement, children. You don't need to switch on the mic. Mic on करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. मैम को दिख रहा है. मैम को आपकी लिप मूवमेंट देखकर पता चल जाएगा कि आप रीडिंग कर रहे हैं. Put your pencils down. Put your finger on the first point. Plants are living things. Second point. Tall, big and strong plants are called trees. Next, small plants may have soft stems or woody stems. जो छोटे प्लांट्स होते हैं उनकी स्टेम्स कभी कभी बहुत सॉफ्ट होती है और कुछ प्लांट्स की स्टेम बहुत वुडी होती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द रोज श्रब. Then you have the hibiscus. They are called shrubs and they are very woody. Next point. There are some plants that have weak stems. I told you there are some plants that their stems are very weak. They need support to stand straight. For example, the climbers, the creepers. Then the next point says, roots fix a plant to the ground. Roots plant को जमीन में, soil में, मिट्टी में fix करते हैं. Next point. The stem takes food and water to all parts of a plant. Stem जो है वो plant के सारे parts को food और water सप्लाई करती है या पहुंचाती है. जो स्टेम होती है प्लांट की, द सेंटर पोर्शन. एंड लीव्स मेक फूड फॉर अ प्लांट. प्लांट्स के लिए फूड कौन बनाता है? द लीव्स. दैट इज व्हाई लीव्स वी से दे आर सपोज्ड टू बी द किचन ऑफ द प्लांट. आई टोल्ड यू मम्मी मेक्स फूड फॉर यू इन द हाउस. सिमिलरली फॉर अ प्लांट द लीव्स मेक द फूड. लीव्स प्लांट के लिए फूड बनाती हैं. एंड द लास्ट पॉइंट, फ्लावर्स चेंज इनटू फ्रूट्स. फ्लावर्स जो होते हैं उन्हीं के अंदर से फ्रॉम देयर वी हैव द फ्रूट्स कमिंग आउट. द फ्लावर्स चेंज इनटू फ्रूट्स, चिल्ड्रन. We are going to do exercise number 1 on page 35 that says write true or false. True का मतलब होता है जो सही है, which is correct, and false means which is wrong. So जब आंसर true होगा तो आप ऐसे thumbs up दिखाएंगे. जब आंसर false होगा तो you will do this. Nod your head and say yes ma'am. Nod your head. Okay, let's begin with the exercise, children. Number 1. All plants are big. जितने भी plants होते हैं सब big होते हैं. कोई plant small नहीं होता है. ये सही है कि गलत है? Is it true or false? False. Very good. So write over there F-A-L-S-E, false. Write the full spelling, children. Yes, Taiba Mustafa, now write. You can pick your pencil up and write over there, false. False, false. Okay, now we move on to the next one. The root fixes the plant to the ground. रूट प्लांट को ग्राउंड में, जमीन में, सॉइल में फिक्स कर देता है. इज दिस करेक्ट और रॉन्ग? ट्रू और फॉल्स? ट्रू. वेरी गुड. सो राइट ओवर देयर ट्रू, चिल्ड्रन. TRUE, true. Write the full spelling. Children, you write it yourself. मम्मी पापा को राइटिंग वर्क नहीं करना है. क्लास आपकी हो रही है. यू आर स्टडिंग. ओके, सो यू डू योर वर्क इन योर हैंड राइटिंग. नेक्स्ट, ऑल फ्रूट्स आर रेड इन कलर. जितने भी फ्रूट्स होते हैं सब रेड कलर के होते हैं. सारे फ्रूट्स रेड होते हैं. ट्रू और फॉल्स? फॉल्स. वेरी गुड. सो राइट देयर फॉल्स. FALSE, false. Next, flowers form the fruit. Flowers जो होते हैं वो fruits बन जाते हैं. True or false? True. Yes. So write there true. Flowers form the fruit. Flowers से fruits बन जाते हैं. Flowers turn into fruits. TRUE, true, right over there. The next one, stems make food for a plant. Stems जो होती है वो plant के लिए food बनाती है. True or false? Food is not made by the stem. Okay, so it is false. Shrubs and herbs are bigger than trees. Shrubs and herbs जो होते हैं trees से भी बड़े होते हैं. True or false? False. Okay, right there, FALSE, false. FALSE, false. Right there, children. Now, put on that exercise. Learn. LEARN.
मैम इनमें क्या आएगा? मैम
Yes.
इनमें क्या आएगा?
B.
मैम
Yes. The root.
मैम इनमें क्या आएगा?
Now, who is this? B for ball.
मैम आज वाले क्या आएगा?
B for ball में. I am calling out the answers once again. Listen.
मैम E for
I am calling out all the answers, children. Listen carefully.
true.
A. I am going to do this and this. Okay? A. I am going to do this and this. So listen carefully. A. Alright.
Excuse me, ma'am.
A is false. B is true. B is true. C is false. D for Delhi, D for dog, that is true. E for elephant, false. F for flower, false. Have you got it? Once again, A is false. B is true. C is false. D is true. E is false and F is also false. You got it now, everyone? Give me a thumbs up. Alright, now turn the page. Come to page number 36.
Done.
Page 36, children. We have here the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. अभी आप मेरे साथ करेंगे और सिर्फ करेक्ट आंसर पर टिक करेंगे. After that, you will write that answer on your own for homework. Fill in the blanks. Plants are dash
Yes,
things.
ma'am.
Living things or non-living things?
Yes, ma'am.
Plants are living things, non-living things. The answer is living things. Put a tick on living things. Number 2, the B1, B for ball. Leaves of most plants are blue or green. They are green. Leaves are green. Put a tick on green. Next, a papaya has dash seeds. 2 seeds or many seeds? Many seeds. Put a tick on many.
Many.
Shayansh, do your work. Pick up your pencil. Next, dash grow from flowers. Flowers से क्या grow कर जाते हैं? Fruits या stems? Fruits. Put a tick on fruits. Yes, put a tick on fruits. Vikhyat, your mic is on. Shanawaz, your mic is on. Next, dash are big strong plants. Creepers or trees? Trees, yes. Put a tick on trees. And the last one says, the dash of a plant prepare food. Plant का food कौन बनाता है? Leaves या flowers? अब आप मुझे आंसर बताएंगे thumbs up करके. Leaves, yes, that's right, leaves. Put a tick on leaves. And write learn on that exercise. Okay, children. With that, we come to the end of today's class. Join your hands, close your eyes. Let's say the prayer. Put your pencils down. Join your hands, all of you. Close your eyes. Thank you, O God, for all the people from whom I have learned today, talked and shared my knowledge. Thank you for all the people who have been kind to me today, for those who have taught me the lessons which I must know, for granting me good knowledge to do better in my life. Thank you for being with me every moment of this day and keeping me safe. This I ask for your love's sake.